Allah is making everything perfect and the creation is perfect, then why there are sometimes some children born is defected? Most of the children born normal and perfect, but sometimes some children are not normal born. They born with some defects and born with some disabilities. Some children born blind also. So answer is very easy. It's a good question and very good answer. This happened, the abnormalities to the children is because the mother might took some medicine, the mother might took some pills not to go on for the pregnancy, and she was able to pregnant, and then those pills can damage the body of the child. Those pills can make child disabled. The hand is not no more hand, or defected the hand or defected the leg. Sometimes that defected the brain also. Sometimes defected the ear also. So those inborn children, because of some chemicals also, because our chemicals like fertilizers, pesticides, the preservatives, if the women are taking lots of junk food during the pregnancy, then there are chances to the abnormalities of the even child born. Especially also some medicines are very dangerous. The woman, she takes some medicine while she is pregnant, and those medicine can make the damage to the baby, the fetus, and the baby will born with the disabilities. It is not that because Allah is, it is not just because of Allah, but it's because the people are doing something mistakes, and those mistakes can suffer to the children. Like, of course, we know the precaution when the woman is pregnant. She need to avoid some food. She need to avoid some drinks. She need to avoid some fruits. She need to avoid some all the chemicals and all the preservatives. So that's why it's not good for a pregnant woman to go for junk food, or like she cannot take lots of caffeine also. Women who are smoking while pregnant, that smoking can damage the baby also. So there are many factors which Allah said in the Quran, all the good come from Allah. And of course, all the evil comes by the will of Allah. But Allah also said, all the evil comes because of the hand of the man. What is our hand is the doing is also cause of the destruction. Like today, the World Wars I, World War II, 100 million people died. Who is you to blame? We blame the human being who are making lots of weapons to kill each other. Today, there are lots of atom bombs and weapons which can destroy whole humanity in one day, less than one day. So who we blame? We blame the human beings who are doing this destruction.